Hello and welcome back to Members Only. Welcome back to weekly medical terminology vocabulary grill. Um, Thank you for being my members and thank you for watching this video created especially for you. I'm gonna start right away with this. I will give you 15 medical terminology in Bulgarian, Italian, Russian, Macedonian, and English languages. Okay. So this is how I get ready for my job, and I do it every week. And now I'm sharing this with you so you can, whatever language do you speak, if it's none of those 5 that I would do today, when you hear the term in English, you can think about it in the target language, which could be Spanish, Arabic, I don't know, Hebrew, whatever language you speak. Chinese, Korean, Japanese, just do it with me. The third word is hurt. Russian is bolit or bolna. Macedonian, bolka. Imam, bolka, which means I'm hurt. Italiano, fa male, something hurts me. And in Bulgarian, nešto me boli. Alphabet or spelling by alphabet, it's usually used in medical. Bukva po bukva, Russian. Macedonian, da spelluva. Spellare in italiano, spelluvam Bulgarian. Read, to read something. Чтение или прочитать, или читаю, Russian, Macedonian. Читам или чита, прочитайте, прочитайте. Leggere in italiano, чета или да прочета нещо, Bulgarian. Take off, for example, your jacket. In medicals, this is quite often. Снят пальто, снят туфли, снят чулки. Собличи я джаката, Macedonian. Собличи я, to take off a cloth. Togliere la giacca, togli la giacca in italiano. In Bulgarian, собличи си якето. It's imperative. Go away from here. You can go away. Убирайся отсюда. This is when somebody is upset. Убирайся отсюда. In Russian also. Убирайся отсюда. Что ты хочешь от меня? Убирайся. Go away from here. Одиси одовде. Одиси одовде. Macedonian. Andare via. Vai via di qua. Отивай си. Тръгвай си от тук. It's like when you ask someone to leave. Get up. Russian is встат или встанет. Macedonian станува. Станува от креватот. Get up from the bed. Alzarsi in italiano. Stani or ставам Bulgarian. How can I help you? С чем могу тебя помочь? Или с чем тебе помочь? Како можем да ви помогнам? Macedonian. Come posso aiutarti? In italiano. С какво мога да ви помогна? Bulgarian. Fall. Падала. Past или упаст. Я не падала. I haven't failed. Macedonian padne. In italiano cadere o cascare. Sono caduto dalla bicicletta. I fell from the bicycle. Padam. Padam, it means literally fell. Или паднах от, if you fell from something. Паднах от колелото. I fell from the bike. I walk. Я Я еду in Russian или ходит. Ездит in ходит is the two verbs. It depends if you go with a car or walking. But if we talk I walk, in Russian will be я гуляю. Гуляю is like the walking act. Прошетка или шетам. Я се прошетах is like I walk around Macedonian. Camminare o fare un giro in italiano. Camminare is literally walking. Fare un giro is more like jargon. In Bulgarian ходя или разхождам се. The fact of walking. Postal code or postcode. Russian is почтовый индекс или почтенский код. Я использую обе, когда работаю. Macedonian почтенский код или код. Italiano codice postale. Bulgarian is почтенский код. Или zip код на български. Best ever. When something is best or very best ever. Лучше, чем всегда. Russian. Он лучше. Это иду лучше, чем всегда. Better than ever, no? Best than ever. Най-добрата. Македонски, Macedonian. Meglio di sempre o il meglio in italiano. And Bulgarian will be най-добрата или най-добрият, най-хубавото също така. Scarf. Scarf, it's a scar, sorry, apologies. Scarf is when we talk about a scarf, the thing that you wear. How that would be in Russian? That would be шарф. У меня шарф такой. Macedonian шал. Italiano sarebbe sciarpa. But as I made a mistake typing it, I will give you the second word, which is scar. Medical scar. Scarring. Это будет шрам. Шрам по-русски. Или следа, отпечаток. Но scar is шрам. Macedonian, I think, will be, I don't know. Я не знаю. Cicatrice in italiano for scar. In Bulgarian ще бъде български. Oh my goodness. I do these trainings all day long, so my brain is grilled by the day. Това ще бъде белек на български. Белек. Лънг. Легки. Russian. Белите дробови. Macedonian. Polmoni in italiano. Bulgarian. Бели дробове. It's plural in Bulgarian and Macedonian and Russian, and they're all plural in other languages except, it's always plural except in English. You can have lung and lungs, but they're usually plural in all those languages. Menstrual cycle. Менструационный цикл. Русский. Macedonian. Menstruația. Ciclo in italiano. Menstruația Bulgarian. Any variant in English. Any variant is good for me. Any work for me. Любой вариант по-русски. Какое било варианта? Macedonian. Какое било? It's like anything can work. Qualsiasi variante sarebbe in italiano. Qualsiasi. Какъвто и да е вариант. Bulgarian. And that was our 15 medical terminology in Bulgarian, Italian, Macedonian, Russian, and English, guys. That was my grill for this week. Thank you for being here and have a good day. Bye-bye.